Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can print a workbook. For that, we have to open this Excel file. Uh, we have click on PNL worksheet. If we want to print, then we can do either of the two ways. We can press Ctrl P, then we'll get this interface, or we can click on File and click on Print. We'll get the same interface. Then we have to. I will tell about this a bit later. Uh, if we click on this, we will see three options. First one is print active sheets. Print active sheets means currently we are on this worksheet. Okay, so if we select print active sheets, then everything uh, in these sheets will be printed. Okay, if we select this and then we press Ctrl plus P, then everything in this particular worksheet will be printed. Now, if we select print entire workbook, then every worksheet, every data, this thing, all these things in this worksheet and everything in this worksheet, everything will be printed, because workbook means every worksheets, everything in that particular worksheet. And finally, if we select print selection, then we can, if we can print anything by particular selection. For example, we can select this particular thing, or I think this will be better. We can select date to up to sales. We are not selecting cost from cost of goods sold. We have selected up to this. Then we can press Ctrl P, then print selection. We can see that only selected uh, part up to sales have been selected. Okay, so this is how we can select as we want. Then print orientation, portrait, landscape. If we select portrait, it will look like this. If we select landscape, it will look like this. So we will select as per our need. This is the and this is the uh, size of the letter. If we select A4, then it will be printed on A4 size paper. If we select legal, it will be printed on legal paper, legal sized paper. Then normal margins, no scaling, we can leave it the way they are, or we can change as we need. Finally, if we need just one copy, then we will select one, and then finally by clicking on print we can print our stuffs. If we, for example, if we need two copy, one we need to keep excuse me, one we need to keep for us, and another we will submit to any other person, then we will make two copies and we will type two, then we can click on print. So this is how we can print different stuffs.